Hello everyone, welcome to Chegg India YouTube channel. Are you someone who is not getting enough questions on the Chegg Q&A board? Well, in this video, let us break down this situation in a bit more detail. First of all, don't worry, your account is working perfectly fine. You are not seeing enough questions on board because you might have skipped all the available questions so far, and other available questions are currently logged by other experts for solutioning. Well, not to worry. In this video, let us understand how you can increase your daily solution count on the Chegg Q&A platform. Tip number 1. Don't skip too much. Although skipping too many questions does not have any impact on your expert account, but it limits your earning opportunities in a day. We always advise our experts to follow these steps instead of skipping too much. Brush up your subject knowledge and concepts regularly. Make a list and revise all the topics that you have skipped earlier. Skip the questions only if you are not confident about the correct and a complete solution. This brings us to tip number 2. Other experts are solving all the available questions. It's better to log in after some time. Let us understand this by a very simple example. Let's say there are 350 questions available on the board right now, and there are 330 experts currently solving those questions. If you log in right now, then after skipping just 20 questions, your board will be empty. Now, when you log in after some time, the active experts might have skipped some of the questions and students might have posted some new questions on the Chegg Q&A board. Hence, logging in after some time will give you more questions to choose from. Tip number 3. Follow the best time to log in to solve more questions. Please note, every Chegg expert has an equal chance or probability of getting the questions. The platform uses AI-based technology to allot the questions, which makes it bias-proof. Remember, most of the questions are being posted during the late night hours. Hence, logging in during the same time will get you more chances to solve more number of questions. Tip number 4. Always stay active on all the expert community channels. Stay updated about all the volume related information and bonus information by staying connected on all the expert community channels and the social media channels of Chegg India. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked today's video, please do give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow experts to share the knowledge. Also, comment down below in the comment section and let us know if you're already following all the above mentioned 4 tips. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and pressing the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you, and I will see you on the board.